Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Epic employee account. Guys, for this, all you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, now bring up the search bar and type in Epic Games and hit enter. Now, make sure it takes you to the official link, Epic Games Store. Download and play PC games. Click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to the official website. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see this kind of icon, just near the download button. Click on that icon. Now, you'll be taken to the new interface, which is sign in or sign up. Now, here you need to enter your email address, or you can log in from your either Facebook account, Google account, etc., and just click on the continue button. Now, you'll be taken to another interface, which is signing into your Epic Games account. Now, you need to enter your password over here. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Your Password to recover your password. And now, just click on the sign in button. It might take a while to load the page. Now, from here, you can play the games. That's much for today, guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.